أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل say, أعوذ, I seek refuge, بربي, with Lord, الناس, of the people, of the mankind, Maliki, king, sovereign, الناس, of the people, of the mankind, Ilahi, God, الناس, of the people, min, from, sharri, evil, al-waswas, the whisperer, al-khannas, the one who retreats, alladhi, the one who, yuwaswisu, he whispers, fi, in, suduri, chests, an-nas, of the people, min, from, al-jinnah, the jinn, wan-nas, and the people, and the mankind.
Surah Naas was revealed after Surah Al-Falaq. It has 6 verses, 20 words, and approximately 80 huruf. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. Malikin Nas, the sovereign of mankind. Ilahin Nas, the God of mankind. Min sharril waswasil khannas, from the evil of the retreating whisperer. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, who whispers evil into the hearts of mankind. Min al jinnati wan nas, from among the jinn and mankind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us the same thing. That seek refuge with Allah. Seek protection with Allah. Who is Allah? Rabbin Nas, the Lord of people. If you think about it, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Lord of the entire creation. He is the Lord of everything. He is the Rabb, He is the Khaliq, He is the Malik, He is the Mudabbir, the creator, the owner, the planner of the entire creation, big or small. The heavens, the earth, angels, jinn, animals, birds, the sun, the moon, every single creation, Allah is its Rabb. But why has this been said? That I see 5 people only over here. Because, first of all, for the purpose of tashrif, in order to honor mankind, in order to honor people. And secondly, many times we see that people are afraid of other people. We are afraid of people. We are afraid of other people. They could be strangers. They could be family members. They could be acquaintances. They could be co-workers. They could be your boss. They could be anyone. We are afraid of people. And when we're afraid of people, why is it so? So when Allah is telling us to seek protection against the evil of people, He tells us to seek refuge with who? The Lord of those people. That He is stronger than them. He is mightier than them. He can protect you from them. He is enough for you against them. أَلَيْسَ اللَّهُ بِكَافٍ عَبْدَهُ قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. Malikin Nas, He is the sovereign of mankind. Malik. Malik is one who has control and authority. The one who is sovereign, the one who possesses something and who also has the ability to do whatever he wishes with it. Which is why the word Malik is also used for king. Why? Because he has the authority, supreme authority. He can decide whatever, implement whatever. Who is the king of people, the sovereign of people? Allah. He is the Malikin Nas. And He is Ilahin Nas. He is the God of people. Meaning, the one and only who is worthy of worship. Yes, there are many who are worshipped by people. But who is the one who deserves to be worshipped by people? It is Allah alone, Ilahin Nas. So say, I seek His refuge. His refuge, His protection against what? Min sharril waswasil khannas, from the evil whisperer, from the evil of al-waswas. Waswas is from wow seen. And the word waswas literally is a masdar, meaning it's a noun, and it means whisper. It gives a meaning of waswasa. However, over here, waswas gives the meaning of muwaswis, meaning one who whispers. One who whispers. This is the meaning that the word waswas gives. And what is waswasa? Waswasa is that which is put in the heart of a person. It could be a thought, it could be a worry, it could be a concern, imagination, idea. But the main thing is that this thought, this idea that is put in the heart of a person, it has no reality to it. It is untrue. True. Like for example, a person is afraid of something. He shouldn't be afraid of it. A person assumes something negative about someone, that maybe they don't like me. Maybe they have been talking about me. There's no reality to it. So what is it? It's a waswasa. In sharril waswas, I seek refuge from the whisperer. Who is this whisperer? Al-Khannas. Khannas from Kha Noon Sin. Khanasa is to fall back. It is to disappear. فَلَا أُقْسِمُ بِالْخُنَّسِ. And shaitan is the one who is khannas. Why? Because when Allah is remembered, what does shaitan do? Khanasa. He disappears. He goes away. So min sharril waswasil khannas, from the evil of the whisperer. And this whisperer, how is he? He withdraws. Meaning, he comes and he whispers, and as soon as Allah is remembered, he goes away. But then he doesn't go away forever. He doesn't go away permanently. No, he comes back again. And then again he is chased away. And again he comes back. Which is why we see that when shaitan puts a waswas, but what happens? After a few minutes again, those thoughts are coming back to him. A person is afraid. He recites the Qur'an. He says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. But again, those feelings come back again. Similarly, a person is praying salah. He starts off with khushu', and halfway through, all of a sudden, he's remembering this, he's remembering that. And halfway through, all of a sudden, he's remembering this, he's remembering that. Because when shaitan comes, what does he say? Udhkur kada, udhkur kada, udhkur kada. Remember that. Until a person forgets what he's praying. A person forgets which rak'ah he is, which unit he is performing. So shaitan comes back again and again. This is why he's called Al-Waswas Al-Khannas. So seek Allah's refuge against the shaitan, because shaitan is an enemy who does not leave you. No matter how many times you chase him away, he comes back. And the thing is that the stronger a person gets in his iman, the more shaitan wishes to attack him. The more he wishes to attack him. Why? Because a person who does not know the Qur'an, a person who does not know what to do, shaitan is content. Shaitan does not have any worry about him. Why? Because he knows that this person does not know much, so he's not going to do much anyway. But a person who has knowledge, a person to whom Allah has gifted hidayah, shaitan is after him. Shaitan is after him. This is why it's so essential, it's so important that when a person is studying the Deen of Allah, and when a person has completed the study of the Qur'an, he must seek Allah's refuge against the shaitan. Because shaitan is going to come after him. Shaitan is not going to leave him. He's not going to spare him. He's going to attack him even more. He's going to attack him even more. So seek refuge with Allah against who? Al-Waswas, Al-Khannas, Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. The one who whispers into the sudur of people. Where does he put the waswasa? In the heart of the person. So when it's put in the heart, can you see the waswasa? You cannot see it. If you see something tangible harming you, you can pick it up and throw it away. If it's something physical, something that you can see, you can push it away, you can shove it away. As it's coming towards you, you can duck, you can avoid it. But when shaitan puts the waswasa in the heart, can you see it? No. So it's even more risky, even more dangerous. This is why ask Allah to protect you, because He is the one who sees everything. We don't see the waswasa coming in. We don't see shaitan approaching us, but Allah sees. So alladhi yuwaswisu. And the thing is that when something is put in the heart of a person, if the heart accepts it, if it settles in the heart, then a person is in danger. Why? Because whatever is in the heart, the limbs will follow. The tongue will follow. Whatever you feel in the heart, you're going to act on it. Feel in the heart. You're going to act on it. You're going to say it. You're going to verbalize it. So this is why a person must seek Allah's refuge against the waswasa of shaitan even. That, Ya Allah, don't even let shaitan come near me. Don't even let him inspire evil thoughts in me. And enable him to talk to me. Because if he does, he's going to put some filth in my heart. And if that is in my heart, then I am doomed. الَّذِي يُوَسْوِسُ فِي صُدُورِ النَّاسِ. He comes in a very subtle way that you can't even hear him. You don't even hear shaitan. And we see that he spared no one. Adam alayhi salam, who was in Jannah. What happened? فَوَسْوَسَ إِلَيْهِ الشَّيْطَانِ. Shaitan did waswasa to him. He didn't even spare him. He didn't spare anyone. So how can we feel secure? We can never feel secure. This is why we need to turn to Allah for protection. مِنَ الْجِنَّةِ وَالنَّاسِ. From among the jinn and mankind. Who is this waswas al-khannas? The one who whispers into the heart of a person. Who is he? He is from among the jinn, and he is also from among the men. Meaning, shaitan comes in the form of jinn. Jinn that you cannot see. Jinn that you cannot hear. So he puts the evil thought in the heart. And shaitan also comes in the form of people. How? What does it mean? That he sends other people against you. He sends other people against you. He sends other people against you. That if, for example, you have an evil thought in your heart, let me say this, let me behave like this, let me not do this good thing. All of a sudden you'll realize this is from shaitan. So you say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. So shaitan has failed. But is he going to leave you? No. He's going to go to your brother. He's going to go to people who are around you. And he's going to inspire them. Go tell her this. Go discourage her from this. For example, it's quite possible that you're sitting after you have performed the fard salah. You're sitting and you're thinking, I should get up and perform my sunnah before it's too late. Shaitan puts this thought in your heart. Doesn't matter, forget it. You prayed the fard. It's okay, no big deal. But you're like, no, I am going to get up and pray. What happens? For example, your child walks in. Or your husband walks in. And they start talking to you. And they make you forget that you were going to read your sunnah. This is how shaitan does not leave a person. Attacks a person directly, and he attacks a person through others as well. مِنَ الْجِنَّةِ وَالنَّاسِ. And sometimes he approaches those who are very close to us, those whom we love, those whom we trust, those whom we know to be our sincere well-wishers. He attacks us through them, that they will come and tell us, why are you taking it so hard? Take a break, take it easy. You don't have to do this. So min al-jinnati wan-nas. Shaitan comes in different forms, through different means. Don't get deceived by him and seek Allah's refuge against him. In both of these surahs, we are being taught to seek Allah's refuge. Who needs refuge? Who needs protection? Someone who is weak. Someone who is in danger. And the fact is that every single human being is weak. Every single person is weak. No one can say, I am fine, I am strong, I am rightly guided, I will always remain like this. No one can lead me astray. No person can claim that. Because even the prophets of Allah asked for guidance. even they asked for istiqamah. And we see that as human beings, we are constantly in the state of danger because shaitan is after us. He vowed, he made a pledge, he made a promise that he was going to lead all people astray. He made that vow, and he has in fact led many, many people astray. And the only ones who are saved, who are protected, are those whom Allah has protected. Those whom Allah has saved. This is why we must seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because we must seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because He is the greatest support. All the other supporters, what are they? Their example is like that of Al-Ankabut, the spider. And the spider's house is the weakest. It doesn't protect the spider. It doesn't against the sun, against the rain, against an enemy. No, it keeps the spider exposed. And if a person relies on anything other than Allah, whether it is his own knowledge, or it is a person, or it is a thing, anything that a person relies upon, he can never be saved. The only one who can protect him is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is why we see that in both of these surahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us that say, A'udhu. You need the protection. You need that refuge. And take it with who? Your Lord. Because He is the one who is the mightiest. He is the one who can actually protect you. وَإِمَّا يَنزَغَنَّكَ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ نَزْغٌ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ. Seek refuge with Allah, because إِنَّهُ سَمِيعٌ عَلِيمٌ. Indeed, He is the hearing, and He is the knowing. And we see that the Prophet ﷺ, he used to recite these two surahs, the Mu'awwidh, when he retired to his bed. Why? In order to protect himself against the evil that could harm a person even when a person is asleep. When you're awake, okay, you can protect yourself, but when you're sleeping, how do you know? Anything could come and harm you. So we see that the Prophet ﷺ, he recited these surahs when he retired to bed. He also recited these surahs in the morning and in the evening. And he also recited these surahs after the 5 fard salawat as well. Why? Because we are constantly in danger. We constantly need Allah's protection. And especially when a person does something good, then shaitan doesn't leave him. Shaitan doesn't spare him. He comes after him directly. He comes after him through other people. And he wants to lead that person astray. This is why, on the completion of the Quran, we must turn to Allah for protection. Because remember now, that your challenge is against, yes, yourself. Your challenge is against, okay, might be other people. But it's also against shaitan. He has become more active against you. More active against you. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from the evil of our enemy shaitan and the evil of anything that could harm us.